Hello guys, my name is Masiyiwa. Masiyiwa. Welcome to Minister Masiyiwa TV. Today we're going to learn about data manipulation, and by the way, I'm doing my degree at the University of Zimbabwe, data science and systems. So in our today's lesson, we're gonna talk about merging or combining two data frames and replacing wherever there will be NA, which means not available. That is, our data is missing there. We have to replace that with a certain value. So I'm gonna show you the codes. First of all, I'm going to open my new other script. How do I do that? You press Ctrl, Shift, and N simultaneously. Then I got an untitled 45. Then second, I'm gonna clean my environment so that you can see our data clearly, right? So first I want to create my data set one, my data one. I'm saying data dot frame. Then I'm going to have D, which means for date. Why am I saying date? It's like a survey. It's like two universities in Zimbabwe, that is University of Zimbabwe and NAST. They are having a survey, right? They are recording temperatures and humidity. NAST is recording in Bulawayo, then use it in Zimbabwe. Then we want to present this data, let's say on national TV. So we have to combine this data, selecting from 3 January to 7 January. Then we have our temperature. We're going to name it T1, which means temperature in Harare measured by USAID is from 11 to 15, right? Then we got T2, temperature measured in Bulawayo, which is from 6 let me say 6 to 2, right? Then this is our first data frame. So run. You see data 1. If one of you data 1, just do this. Then like this, you see our data 1. We got D, date from 3 to 7. Then T1, temperature in Harare. T2, temperature in Bulawayo. Then secondly, I want to create data 2. Data 2 is data dot frame, right? Then D still representing for what? For date. So here it's 5 to to 9, right? It's now 5 to 9. They started measuring humidity. This data 2 is for humidity. Started measuring humidity from day 5 to day 5 of January. Unlike temperature, they started recording it from day 3 to 7, right? And we say H1, humidity 1, it's from 30, let me say 34. Then humidity 2, that is humidity in July, 15 to 19. Sorry guys, I don't know how humidity is measured, so I'm just picking arbitrary values. I just want to show you how to merge and combine two data frames, so don't worry about the humidity and the temperature issues, right? So this is our data set number 2. So we want to store our data set. Do this if you want to view it. Then secondly, our main idea here, we want to merge, we want to combine these two data frames. So I'm going to use this code. First of all, I'm going to assign this combination of two data frames in a variable called combined, let me say combined data, combined underscore data, right? combined data. Then what I'm going to do now, I'm going to use the merge function, merge from base, right, package. It's merge function. Then we are merging what, data 1, and we put a comma, and data 2, and we put a comma. Then we are merging these two datas, concentrating, right, on day, which is D from 3 to 7, 5 to 6. So we want to merge these two data using what, day. So we are going to say by, then equal to, since the string, we're going to put quotes and say what, D, right. Then we're going to use this function, O equals true. Then I'm going to run this. You see, I've got a new data called combined data. So I want to see combined data. I do like this. You see now we have date from 3 to 9 T1, we have from 3 to 9 T2, from 3 to 9 H1, from 3 to 9 H2, from 3 to 9. Now what we want to do, want to replace wherever there is NA, which means not available, the data is not what, available. You see, with these two data frames, we've got an intersection, data 1 intersecting with data 2, so it's day number 5, day number 6, and day number 7. Day number 5, 6, 7 are both in data set 1 and data set 2. That's why you see we got all the values of day 3, day 4, day 5, because we're in intersection. So we want to replace wherever there is NA with a certain number. First, I want to replace generally wherever there is NA with what, with a certain number. Let me say 51, right? So what I'll do, I will name my data combined data like this. Then I open square brackets. Then after this, I'll say is dot NA. I'll open parenthesis. Then I'll name my, I'll insert the name of my data again, combined underscore data like this. Then I will assign this code to the, I said 51, right, like this. I'll run the code. Then if I want to see my data, I'll do this and run. So now you see wherever there was NA, we got 51 now. So if we replace wherever there was NA with what, 51. But if you want to be specific, that is, you want to put a certain number on a certain column or a certain row, you just have to name it like this. Let me show you. Let me copy this one, copy and paste it here, paste. So I want to specify wherever there is NA in the column T1, I want to place with what, let me say 60, right? So I will use $, which means I'm selecting what, T1. Then here again $, which means I'm selecting what, T1. Then here I'll put my 60. Let me run this. Let me view. You see now, let me you have to first rerun the code, rerun it, you rerun, then you merge it. Then I'm going to skip this one and go to this function. I'll do like this. Let me view combined data like this. You see now in T1 where there was NA, you got 60 and 60. So this is how you do it, guys, if you want to merge two data frames. Thank you for watching my video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, and if you like it, don't forget to put your comments. Thank you guys for watching. I love you all.